music here, huh?
Yep.
Okay,
The yard dogs.
we just left Hooters and here we go.
Is that too loud?
Okay, Barry, turn around, Barry.
Harry, turn around.
Barry, turn around. Okay, here we got Barry. Turn around, Tom.
Hey, Benny.
Yes, sir, here we go.
Barry still thinks we're at Hooters.
There's Dan.
There you go, Benny.
Peter.
Hey, Benny. How's it going?
Good.
Hey, happy
Here he
birthday.
is.
Benny, that was a great birthday party.
That's right. And now the only thing I can do is try to get me.
Try to get you.
I gotta try to get me in here. Let's see.
There you go.
Gotta hit
Here
it.
I am.
Yeah, my first wife was married 17.
That's
They
good.
come in with shit. Yeah. They come in and say, you
So Pete, pretty soon you'll be back in Maine, huh?
Oh, yeah, right with the snow.
Okay.
Have some snow tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, I know.
warm weather up.
I'll warm it up before you guys get home.
That's good. That's good. That's
Last
good.
much longer.
No.
What's the Pete? What's the Arizona stuff for?
Yeah, my son lives in Arizona.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He works for GoDaddy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good, good,
I
good.
took care of all that. That's probably a pretty rapidly growing company. GoDaddy.
Okay, Walter.
Hey,
900 when he started.
Yep.
we had a good time today.
Great
We
time.
saw plenty of Hooters. Huh?
Judy, you gotta send him again. He was fooling around with all the little girls.
That's right.
That's right.
I was being very careful.
That's right. He may be.
I was having a hard time getting ahead of Benny there.
No, he may be look bad.
It was great.
Yeah, good.
Then I got